In front of me is Samsung Galaxy XCover 7 and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. Begin by opening settings and scrolling down to access advanced features. Following that, tap on one-handed mode and click on gray switcher at the top to activate it. Now click on one of the available options to decide which one you want to use to scroll down your display, gesture or button. Wherever you decided, just follow all of those instructions below your choice. In my case, double tap the home button and wait. As you can see, after that, one-handed mode is on. If you want to scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it. To change placement of it, click on this icon on the left or on the right. Hold this line at the top and drag your screen. To go back though, just click on your gray area or use the same option, like double tap the home button. If you wish to disable one-handed mode completely, you can always do that by tapping on blue switcher at the top. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!